UP versus CNE. The ball goes to Abadiano. Abadiano pull-up jumper. Wala. Kumakaripas niyang takbo. Itong si Rimugat. Kick out. Abadiano for 3. Wow. Abadiano 3-point shot. First basket of the game. Now it is Rimugat. Baila. Swings it. Abadiano will take again another 3. Jerry Abadiano. Mga Lodi, susunod naman yung galing pa ng NCAA, yung perpetual health. 3-point shot! Para sa CNE, number 1. Andito ngayon, Baila. Humangat si Baila, may kasama pang foul. Nasa labas si Daa. Tingal, nasa ilalim. Turnaround shot by Tingal, no. Rebound to Belmonte. Quickly, Baila will drive. Baila will score. Hindi nga lang nakabuslo itong si Rimugat. Pero ang galing naman ng mga moves. Dazzling move by Rimugat. He will go to the line for a pair of free throws. Ibibigay kay Abadiano, ibabalik kay Noroko. Banggaan ni Tingal. Ilalabas si Noroko. Tira sa labas. Bang! That was a 3-point shot for Belmonte. Palanya, Tan. Nasa labas si Daa. Biglang pumukol ng tres. Daa! Nothing but the bottom of the net for Dennis Daa, the veteran. To Noroko. Pinagtulungan si Noroko. Ilalabas ang bola. Kick out. Briones. Tumikada ng tres. Yes, sir! Ang ganda ng ikot ng bola. 17-6. Now it's Daa. Makakalampas, Inyeguez, Daa! The veteran move by Daa. Nasa ilalim, hindi makawala. Lalabas kay Tingal. 15-foot jumper for Tingal. Shooter's bounce for Daa. Dancing, Daa taking a 3. Daa short. Makukuha dito ang bola ng UP. Andito si Briones, sinaharangan ni Tan. Briones will lay it in and he will score. Takaburawin to si Tan. Takatanawan naman sa Tingal. Slow motion move. Wala. He was intimidated by the long ones, but Tingal was there for the putback. And the veteran Tingal score once more. Papasa kay Palanya. With 8 seconds left. Saksat clock. Palanya. Ibinalibag ang bola. Wow! Magical shot! Wala mapasahan. Si Villanueva nasa corner. Saan siya pupunta? Nakaharap niya. 5-5 laban sa 6-6. Villanueva will score. Nautakan niya si Stevens doon. Rimugat will imbang. Goes to Belmonte. Baseline shot is good. Palanya with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Ang layo ng 3-point shot. Kamuntik na, wala. Makukuha. Rimugat. Abadiano. May tulak ng konti doon si Abadiano para makawala. Malate, long pass. Mahina, makukuha ng UP. Pull up 3. Short. He recovers his own miss. Rimugat. Behind the back pass to Baila. Isinubo na lamang ni Baila. Palanya on the outside. Thinking his move. Lamang kay Rimugat. Palanya goes to number 1 who will take a 3. He will get that 3-point basket plus a foul. Pupunta sa kanyang kanan. Ibinalibag na ng bola, makukuha ni Noroko. Nagmamadali si Rimugat, looking left and right. Rimugat, Briones, pull up. Yes, sir. Long 2 for Briones. Now it's Alcober. Goes to Barantes. Barantes. Nasa labas pa rin. Malate is open for that. Yes, it's a bunking shot. 3-point. Ilalabas. Alcober was blocked by Anders. Now, it's Fortea who will drive and will score. Fortea, Andres, Noroka, outside. Briones goes inside. To Andres, igladang sana. Mayroong foul, sumabit daw. Nag-iisip ko anong gagawin. Magandang depensa sa kanya. Nasa ilalim, mahirap na tira. Payong umbrella defense there. Now it's Fortea on the run. Fortea on the right corner core. Now Noroka is slamming it home. Hiyawan ng mga tao dito. Libre si Briones. Baseline jumper, no. Kumakaribos ang takbo sa number 1. Hinahabol ni Noroka. Hagip na hagip! Sabi ni Noroka, no way! Nakikipagarian, laban kay Fortea, hindi makawala. Boniface will take a 3, wala. Nanulag si Daa, hindi nakita. And Daa will make a layup. Pounding the ball. Libre si Belmonte. That was a wide open 15-foot jumper for Belmonte. Palanya now. Labang kay Torres, hindi makaporma. Maagawan ni Torres. Ito si Stevens with the slam. Two-handed slam by Stevens. Balik tayo sa ating laro. Ito, mag-i-inbound dito ang CNA. Villanueva. Papunta dito kay number 29. Maagawan sila. Fortea is all alone. Matatapos ang kanilang shot clock. Villanueva beating the shot clock. At makakabasket doon si Villanueva. Daa will take an emergency shot. No. Abadjano pushing hard. Wide open shot. Fortea for 3. That's bullseye for Terence Fortea. Hindi makaporma. Si Palanya ay papasa sana. Maagaw dito ni Rimogat. Kumakari pa si Rimogat. Rimogat nakakita. Open lane for Rimogat for that unmolested drive. Tan has it. Bunagan. The baseline shot. It's good. Hinihingi ni Baila. Magkakatin si Noroka. Hindi pinasahan. Nasa labas si Briones. Open shot. Eniguez. Bang. Babalik kay Milicor ang bola. Bibigay kay Noroka. Babalik kay Noroka. Noroka again. Flashing it home. Rimogat tagadala ng bola. Rimogat inside. To Noroka under the basket. Ang lalim ng dukot. Wow, that was so deep. Reverse layup by Noroka. Under 2 minutes to play. Tan. Itinutulak-tulak si Milicor. Tan nagkatin. Si Alicando. Ang galing ng pasahan doon. Faking a pass. Tan inside pass. To Tingal. Hindi inaasahan ni Tingal ang pasa na yon. Now it's Baila. UP. Here's Noroco. Nag-foul nga lang. Now it's Rimogat. Hinihingi ni Noroka. Mayroong screen si Noroka. Libre si Rimogat. Pero mahuhuli ang bola. Now it's Alicando. Alicando faking a pass. 3-point shot by Barantes. Sablay. Rimogat nagmamadali na naman. Rimogat. Bounce pass. Easy basket para sa UP Fighting Maroons. Villanueva will fire a 3. Tabingi. Makukuha ang bola dito ni Inieguez. Nangunguna si Milicor. Naabutan ni Tingal. Inbound to Baila. Lalabas muna si Baila. Double teamed. Milicor is wide open for 3. Milicor finally making a basket and a 3-point at that. Ibabalik dito kay Rimogat. Rimogat backing up. He will take a 3. Good line! Rimogat right on target for the 3-point bomb. Here's Villanueva. Inahabol ni Tan. Tan is still on the maneuver. Is stolen by UP. 2-on-2. Milicor to Briones. Briones recovers it. Briones. Inieguez. 3-point shot. Inside pass. Barantes. Barantes finally will score against the smaller Milicor. Ilalabas. Milicor. Now, it's Sanchez. Open lane for Sanchez. Who will dissect the play? Milicor. Wide open. Sanchez. Turn around. Bang. Goes to Sanchez. Tan. Baseline. Teardrop. Tan will convert. Boniface. Hinihingi ni Imos, hindi mapasahan. Palanya, 3-point attempt, malakas. The smallest man on the floor. Malate getting the offensive board and the putback. Briones, open lane, easy layup for Lowell Briones Jr. Imos goes into the shaded lane, mawawalang bola sa kanya. Barantes short. Briones brings the ball down court, inside pass to Sanchez. Mayroong screen si Imos. Ilalabas kay Boniface. Pomorma sa 3. Boniface finally converting a 3. Briones lalabas to Milicor. Inside 2 minutes, Sanchez, Omikot, Tomikada, ringless. The UP Fighting Maroons, 85-44.